साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो शक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। 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 श्री गणेश ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खलिदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचा नमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणार्थात् अवचोर्ध्वार्थात् अवादरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तत्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नमः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीता त्वं देहत्रयातीता त्वं कालत्रयातीता त्वं मूलाधारस्थितो नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा स्वं विष्णु स्वं रुद्रः स्वं इन्द्रः स्वं अग्निः स्वं वायुः स्वं सूर्यः स्वं चन्द्रमः स्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरो गणादिपूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारा परतरः अर्धेन्दुवसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं यकार पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वार शान्तरूपं बिन्दोरुत्तररूपं नादसंदानं संहिता सन्धि सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छ्रुद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशं कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभुराणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पितं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो राथपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Now those who are standing on this line should first of all see that your number is all right. Please put your number all right. And stand facing this side. Not facing me, but this side. Do it fast, eh? And लवकर करा पुष्कळ झाले. Arriving. आज उभा करायची इकडे असे जवळच उभे करा दूर उभे न करा नाव try to remember that there will be a piece of cloth and you have to walk about come this way go to the end that's all you have to walk इस तरफ इधर से जाइए उधर जा you have to walk very very slowly there are 7 stanzas will be sung and when the last stanza will be sung then you have to garland your fiancés अब हिंदी में कह रहे हैं कि जो लोग लाइन से इस तरफ में जो औरतें ये खड़ी हुई हैं दुल्हनें इनको सबको धीरे धीरे हाथ में हार लेकर के आगे आना है बहुत धीरे धीरे वेरी वेरी स्लोली 7 बार और एक लाइन में देखते हुए इधर उधर नहीं जाना एक लाइन में आना है और उसके बाद में जब खत्म हो जाएगा 7 मर्तबा कहना तब आपको आखिरी में जब सावधान कहेंगे जब कपड़ा नीचे आ जाएगा तब गार्लैंड करना when the cloth goes down then you have to garland and you have to put down your head you have to put down your head when you are walking thinking that you are taking these few steps for your auspicious marriage so you have to meditate on that point and move very very slowly now you have to walk a very little distance if you see that now they'll be giving you garlands yeah. कुणाला नाही त्यांची आता आरती होते महाराष्ट्रीयन बाई बोलवा एक अहो कुठे गेल्या सगळ्या ए भिकुले कुठे राहिले तुम्ही लोक जरा बघा बरं ते पुरुषाला काही समजतंय का बसल्या जाऊन तुम्ही लोक हा त्याला खाली माना घालायला सांगा face this side. Now see that you stand in the line first of all and you have to move in the line also. Hold it in both the hands. Put your head down as much as you can. Baba.
Exchange of garlands.
There is going to be exchange of garland. You don't have to wear garlands, please. And the shining one should be behind and the flower one should be in front. So when you put it, the shining one comes up. Will you please do that and stand by number? These garlands are to be exchanged. ते तर आहेच बिचारे भांबावलेले पण आमच्याकडचे Please keep the line straight. It's rather just move properly. Keep the line.
Straight line. That's right.
पहले गले में पिला दिए
Mataji, as it is, the Purush are very nervous.
Now put the shining one outside. Shining one outside and the flower one inside. And hold it in both the hands. No. Samor. Chamki wala samor. Keep the shining one towards yourself. Please see that your numbers are correct. Don't be nervous. नाही त्याच्यापेक्षा लग्न करवणारे नर्वस आहेत. याची डोकी उठते. गळ्यातच घातले हार आधी. Keep the shining one towards yourself. He should follow. The best man must follow. The best man must follow the bridegroom. या पोरी कुठं आल्या? ए तुम्ही तिकडे उभा राहू नका. हा हा, the flower girl should be in front. हा, आता फ्लावर गर्ल्सला सांगायचं की हळूहळू चालायचे आणि फुलं टाकत जायचं. जरा जागा मध्ये, इथे जागा पुष्कळ जवळ जवळ आहे, त्या सरकवा.
The best man must accompany the bridegroom, and please let them come faster now. And the best man must carry the coconut in his hand, and the bridegroom must carry both the garlands in his hand. The shining garland should be towards you, and the flower garland should be on the outside. And the coconut must be carried by the best man, not by the bridegroom. The coconut has to be carried by the best man, not by the bridegroom.
अरे जागा करा ना त्यांना, याला तुम्हीच मध्ये उभे. जागा
प्लीज
जागा करा, जागा.
नाही आता लवकर करा अविनाश.
फोटो नका घेऊ, नंतर घ्या.
आणि त्यांना समजवत आणा की करवला आहे तो हे धरेल आणि तो मागे राहील, नवरा मुलगा पुढे राहील, करवला मागे. द बेस्ट मॅन हॅज टू रिमेन ॲट, विल बी बिहाइंड and hold the garland, the shining garland on your side and the flower garland in the front. Now quick. The best man must follow the bridegroom. आणि त्याच्या मागे त्यांचा बेस्टमन नारळ घेऊन येईल.
अरे कमल, उनके चप्पल संभालो, उनके चप्पल निकाल लो.
Somebody must take care of the chappals of the bridegroom. Now make room. There is ample chance for photography during the wedding.
Don't take photographs.
The best man of the bridegroom from Spain, Andres, the two bridegrooms from Spain, their best man is not there.
काय ना त्यांचं?
Andres, don't obstruct the way, please. Let them come. Let the bridegroom come first and the best man to follow.
त्या आधी पुढे ना.
And the chappals must be taken care by somebody. The garlands have to be held in both the hands. The shining garland towards you and the... Where is the garland?
मंगा लेते हैं, मिक्स चाहिए ना, वहाँ बाहर मिलता है कैसे, कह दो ले आए। उनको दे दो एक तो।
Dinesh, who is the bestman of Andres of Spain. The bestman, what's the name? Bestman of number 11 bridegroom, Istafal. The bestman of number 11 bridegroom. हाँ, तिथे ट्रॅफिक जॅम होतोय. I think.
ए बकरे यांचं डोक्याचं ठीक बांधा जरा खाली गाणा, केस नको
केस
दिसायला,
दिसायला नको, पुढचे केस दिसायला नको.
खाली ओढा खाली.
हा, एकदम नाही हो, डोळ्यावर नाही. झापड झालीशी माझी. तिथे आडवे येऊ नका, इकडे तिकडे जाऊ नका. हा, कम ऑन.
कोणचा नंबर आहे त्याचा?
15 ला.
11 नंबर कोण आहे?
बरं, प्रशांत पोपटकर, प्रशांत किंवा संदेश.
You take somebody from there.
संदेशला बेस्टमन बनवा.
Take one of the fellows.
एक प्रशांत इकडे.
Number 11.
हाँ. निरंजन शर्मा, किसके लिए? निरंजन शर्मा फ्रॉम दिल्ली for the bestman. 50. अनिल खोबराकडे कुठे आहे? अनिल. अशोक कुठ बर. अरे हो,
बसू दे त्याला इथे.
तुम जा बेटा, तुम वहाँ. हाँ,
Is coming one more.
सायमन इज कमिंग. प्रभू, तू बरा कुठे जिथे नसेल.
देखो अब आ गए.
अविनाश, तिथे पहा, ते नारळ बरोबर आहे त्याच्यात. आणि तिथे जरा गर्दी कमी करा अविनाश. तिथल्या लोकांची गर्दी कमी करा. The bestman must follow the bridegroom. He must remember that the bridegroom is getting married, not the bestman.
अरे हाला इकडे आले. चमकीचे हार तिकडून उलटीकडनं तिकडनं जा.
बुरके साहेब आहेत.
हाँ, you take your position, please.
शेवटी
You will
शेवटी
get the
आणखीन पाहिजे.
garland.
आणखी ना.
Take your positions. You will be given garland.
उरके इकडून मागवून पाठवा. हा. Those who have got who haven't
बकरे.
got shining garlands must get hold of them. We are sending them over. इकडे आणा, इकडे मागे
हो,
इकडे
बकरे
गेले.
इकडे इकडे. बकरे,
इकडे काही लोक गेले.
हा, इकडे गेले. तिथेच द्या. तिथे आपल्या स्थानावर आल्यानंतर द्या. Is he there? You need one. Okay, then you better stick around.
All right, go to that side.
Don't look so confused.
It's all right. सांगवी, तिला आई वडील नाही आहेत पहिल्या मुलीला, 8 नंबराला. हा, आई वडील घ्या.
Come along, please move.
अब जाए.
You're there. Alberto, you have to stay behind.
हाँ.
You're not getting married.
आता एकदा बघा सगळ्यांच्या जवळ शायनिंग आहे की नाही. आले सगळे. Now please listen. Your flower garland should be outside and the shining ones inside. वरती धरा वरती. त्याना तू उभा राहा ना, वर उभा राहा. Now the brides will be walking towards you, but the bridegrooms have to stand in their own places. Now the brides should not spoil the line. They have, you see, move by that side little bit, move. Be careful that you walk in a line. That's the only thing you have to see. Will you please move a little bit? मध्ये मध्ये इकडे तिकडे त्यामध्ये मुली आहेत. No, little back. मध्ये तिथे मध्ये 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 त्या मुली 2-4 मध्ये आल्या. उतावळ्या नवऱ्याच आहेत. What's so hurry? Take it easy. It's only you have to walk steps, little few steps. Now, the process. So only the 7 stanzas will be sung, and that is the time you will be throwing the last bit of these akshatas, meaning the rice which is red in color. At that time, then this cloth will go down. First, the brides have to garland the boys, and then the bridegrooms have to garland the girls. Before garlanding, you should see it's your fiancés. So put down your heads, and once we start singing, very slowly you should move, and these flower girls will be moving in front of you. हे बघा, ज्यांनी हातात फुलाच्या परड्या घेतल्या आहेत ना, त्यांनी हळूहळू थोडी थोडी फुलं टाकत अगदी हळूहळू जायचं, जोरात जायचं नाही. 7-10 होईल मंगलाष्टक. सगळ्यांना अक्षता दिल्या का? बरं. द्या ना.
गणनायकं गजमुखं विश्वस्य आद्यं बीजं
घ्या तिकडे घ्या. मुले तुम्ही घ्या, सगळ्यांना द्या व्यवस्थित.
गौरीनन्दनबालकम् अतिप्रियं
लाऊड.
कुण्डलिनी रक्षकं भूमितत्र विराजितं गणवरं मूलाधारस्थितं पावित्रं प्रदायकं गणपतिं कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान या तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा निर्मलविद्याप्रदा भुवस्वामिप्रिया सुवरदा संपदे समनुजा संतोष मानसा ताराया भवसागरात आपणा दत्तात्रया वंदुया प्रार्थूया चरणी रमापतितया कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम् शुभमंगल जननिला साधता शब्दात्माव एकरूपहृदये हराहि सर्वे महेशा वन्दूया शिव पार्वती सहृदये
Please move all the time.
प्रार्थूया चरणी जगज्जननी च कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम् शुभमंगल सावधान आकाशात् समराहुरी चराचरी नादगले वैखरी राहुनी कमलात
Very slowly move. Slowly, slowly. This is the sixth one. So move forward.
कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम् शुभमंगल सावधान
This is the last one. Move forward. This is the sixth one.
प्रेम भाव विकासिया जगिया देई क्षमा शीलता मोक्ष मार्ग प्रकाशिनी स्वतेजे देई जना तपस्विता साष्टांगे नमोया जगज्जननिला कुर्यात् सदा मंगलम् शुभमंगल सावधान
Now this is the seventh one.
या ब्रह्मा कृष्ण येषु स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवे वेदे साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदे गायन्ति नो सामगा ज्ञानावृततज्ज्ञतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति योगिना लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव आदिशक्ति ते पदयुगं स्मरामि सावधान शुभमङ्गल सावधान शुभमङ्गल
Now garland, now garland.
सावधान
Garland.
शुभमङ्गल सावधान
Now all of you have to follow him. Just in a pair. Go together. Hey, Bhubaneswar, इकडे. जरा हंसिए तो. हाँ चलिए.
The bride's people have to join them.
हाँ, they will join later. After these people are seated, the bride's people should go and join. ए तुम्ही मध्ये नाही, तुम्ही बाजूला चालायचं. बाजूला. हाँ. बाजूला बाजूला. बाजू में हो जाइए. बाजू बीच में नहीं आने का. बाजू में हो जाओ. बाजू में. Hold each other's hand. Otherwise you will be lost. हाँ. Daniele, you will find them. They'll be seated. अहो त्या कापडावरच घातलं की काय तुम्ही? जाके देखो. आओ ते कापडावरच हवन करणार आहेत काय? चार पावली भी तो जल जाता है. सगळ्यांना वापरून घेऊ एकेकाला. समोर बसले की गोंधळ होणार.
युवा शक्ती ग्रुप जरा पुढे या. अशोक किंकर तू पुढे ये जरा. आणि संजय माने हे सारे मुलं जरा पुढे या. त्यांनी आणि यांचे पाणी आहे का बघा जरा लवकर त्यांच्या याच्यामध्ये.
पाणी वाणी आहे सगळं व्यवस्थित आहे. पाणी वाणी सगळं. आता just a minute, listen to me. This is the first ceremony where the father and mother of the girl have to give the hand of their daughter into the hand of the boy, called as Kanyadan, means giving the hand of the girl into the hand of the bridegroom. Yeah, the description. Before doing this, we have to accept that we belong to the Vishwa Nirmal Dharma. Now, Mana.
All brides and bridegrooms should take the following pledge. I am reading it on behalf of all the brides and bridegrooms. We all accept the dharma of Sahaj Yoga, that is Vishwa Nirmal Dharma. We do not accept any other religion. We do not accept the bindings of any other religion except Vishwa Nirmal Dharma. सर्व धर्मान परित्यज्य श्री आदिशक्ति एकम शरणम व्रजामि परमेश्वर्याय प्राप्त्यार्थम विश्व निर्मल धर्म स्वीकारोमि. I renounce all dharmas and surrender to Sri Adishakti alone. I accept the Vishwa Nirmal Dharma for achieving the God realization. The way of life in Vishwa Nirmal Dharma is Satyam Acharayet, the truth should be followed. Priyam Acharayet, that which is blissful should be followed. Hitam Acharayet, that which would promote hitam, well-being, should be followed.
Benevolence.
Benevolence.
First, the bride has to make put hands like this together. This is called as undar, like this. The bride.
जरा सहयोगी मंडळी सिनियर आहेत त्यांनी जरा गाईड करा कपल्सना.
Undar करायला सांग.
सिनियर सहयोगी मंडळींनी पुढे जाऊन
Like
गाईड
this,
करा.
all the brides should put their hands together like this. Now this is the way they are going to give the girl, the bride, to the bridegroom. All right. Now like this, the girl has to do. No, don't put separately. Put it together like this, as I am showing you. See. As we do it for giving
जरा गाईड करा
flowers.
लोकांना कसं सांगतात बघ.
अहो तशाच बसल्या तिथे मागे त्या बायका बसल्या त्यांनी सांगायचं की नाही समोर.
जरा जा. त्यांना
Then,
सांगा.
in the same way, the boy should do, the bridegroom should do the way, same way. And put it on top of the girl's hands. Like that. Put it in such a way that, yes. Now the father of the girl has to put both the hands from the sides, come from the sides or from the front, whichever way you like. Just adjust. Don't allow the water to fall onto the yagya place. त्याच्यात तामण ठेवा खाली. There is a copper plate. Let the water fall into the copper plate.
पाटणकर साहेब,
खाली बसा, उभं नका राहू. अहो, आता सांगितलं. त्याला सांगा खाली बसा ना. Now the mother of the girl has to pour the water. म्हणा.
bride's father says thus to the bridegroom, my daughter is a Sahajogini and she has accepted the Vishwa Nirmala Dharma. Also, I and her mother are followers of Vishwa Nirmal Dharma. Considering that you are the best Sahajogi, I offer my daughter to you in the auspicious and divine presence of Sri Adi Shakti. So, keeping fully in mind the importance of this great function, please give complete respect to it.
And the bridegroom's
कनकसम्पन्नां कनकाभरणैसुतां दास्यामि विष्णवे स्तुभ्यं ब्रह्मलोके शिशिशा विश्वम्भरा सर्वभूतः साक्षिण्या सर्वदेवतः इमां कन्यां प्रदात्म्यानि पितॄणां तारणाय च.
Now the bridegroom says.
The bridegroom says now, of course, I will comply with it. This is the commitment of the bridegroom.
The bridegroom has to say. 3 times you have to say, Nati charami, Nati charami, Nati charami. The bridegroom has to say, Nati charami, Nati charami, Nati charami, 3 times. Now the boy has to put, the bridegroom has to put his right hand on the left shoulder of the bridegroom. That's Lalita Chakra. Right hand.
धर्मो मे कामः
No, on the, listen now, on to the left side.
धर्मो मे कामः समृद्ध्यतां प्रजो मे कामः समृद्ध्यतां सहयोग समृद्ध्यतां.
Now the bridegroom has to say 3 times again that of course I will comply with it. In the way to say in Sanskrit is Nati charami, Nati charami, Nati charami. 3 times. Now in the copper plate you will find some rice kept. So the girl has to pick it up and put it on the agya of the boy. And the boy has to pick it up and then put it on the agya. First the brides have to sit on the right of the boy. This indicates that first the girl is important and after marriage she sits to the left side. Means that she follows the husband. There is, you will find a turmeric being placed with a kind of a thread for both of you. हळकुंड बघा, हल्दी वहाँ रखी हुई है. Now the boy has to tie to the girl on her left hand Vishuddhi, that is her wrist. Wrist, left hand wrist. And then the girl has to tie it to the right hand of the boy.
ओम कन्या तारयतु दक्षिणां पातु बहुदेशंशास्तु पुण्यं वर्धतां शान्तिं पातु पुष्टिं तुष्टि चास्तु तिथिकरण मुहूर्त नक्षत्र संपदस्तु.
Now, both the bride and bridegroom, they say, it is with the blessings of Sri Adi Shakti that I accept the auspicious bond of this marriage and pray, Sahaja Yoga Vardatam, may the Sahaja Yoga grow, Atma Sakshatkara Vardatam, may the self-realization grow, Pushti Tushti Vardatam, may the satisfaction grow. May we always have, by the blessings of Adi Shakti, the sensitivity of Chaitanya, the life without ego, the joy of Sahaja ethics, the energy and enthusiasm to do the Sahaja Yoga work.
Now there will be three shlokas they will be saying. At that time, you have to take the rice that is called as akshatas and sprinkle, they are vibrated, sprinkle them on each other's head a little bit.
Om Sahaja Yoga Vardatam, Om Atma Sakshatkara Vardatam, Om Pushti Tushti Vardatam.
Both should do. Now at this time you have to tie up the Mangal Sutras. The boys must be carrying the Mangal Sutras, might be with the best man. Open the Mangal Sutra. Now the sister of the bride has to help to tie it up, the Mangal Sutra.
ओम मांगल्य तंतुनानेन भर्तु जीवन हेतुनः कंठे बंधामि तुभगे सा जीवा शरदाशतम्. ओम गणानात्वां गणपति हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्योतिभिसीद सादनम्. ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
When the Mangal Sutra was being tied, the following is being recited on behalf of the bridegrooms.
No. The bridegroom should apply the akshatas mixed with water. Adi zala?
I am tying the Mangal Sutra, that is the thread of auspiciousness, as that which is of the form of Chaitanya, that which is pure, chaste and auspicious, that which is verily the thread of the Chaitanya and auspiciousness, and hence it is called the Mangala Sutra.
चल आता गाठी बांधा. Now their clothes are put into knots. गाठीचे सांगा.
The shoulder cloths have to be tried. Shoulder cloth on the
निशाणा नाहीच आहेत shoulder cloths.
जिनके पास उपकरण नहीं है वो शॉल लीजिएगा.
आहेत. पूर्ण उघडा. Open it fully. Don't double it. Open it fully. तुम्हारा मंत्र.
When the shoulder cloth is being tied, the brides and bridegrooms say the following. While our shoulder cloths are being put together in knot, we fully realize that This relationship has been fixed through the Sahaja and it is only through the Sahaja that it will become pure and strong.
Now after this is another ceremony called as Lajaho, in which you have to ignite the fire first. Before that they will say mantra. Mara. Ganesha's mantra.
Om Ganana Tvam Ganapatim
हवामहे
Kavim Kavinam Upashravastvam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Ana Shirnuvanam Tube Sadhanam.
Now ignite the fire.
जयवंत साहेब या लाईनला बघा, इकडे कोणी दिसत नाही फारसं गाईड करायला यांना. इकडे कोणी दिसत नाही. अगर घी अपने पास जो घी रखा है वो पहले घी डालिएगा. जस्ट टू इग्नाइट द फायर पुट लिटिल घी.
There is also camphor. You can use that for lighting up.
ओम अग्नेय पवमानाय इदं नमः.
5 green का.
ओम अग्नेय पवमानाय इदं नमः. ओम अग्नेय पवमानाय इदं नमः.
Now again the boy has to make like this. This is called as Onjal in Marathi. Anjali, Geetanjali you must have heard, like this. And the girl also has to do the same and put your Anjali on the top of the boy's Anjali, both. Now carefully. And this has to go to the fire, so please be careful. Now the brother of the girl should come forward. आता आई वडिलांनी उठाव. The father and mother have to get up. The मामाचं काय कार्य? Be careful, on your back there is fire. Huh? If there is no brother, the uncle can come. Mama. You can have Baba Mama. Now first let us do the little mantra for the fire. Mana.
ओम अग्न आयुषिं पवस आसुर्जामि संचना आरिबान्वस्वदुच्छुदाम ओम स्वाहा.
While the sacred fire is witnessing, we invoke our own kundalinis and pray that all our faults, negativity and conditioning be burnt into ashes in the light of the kundalini.
Now please put the little bit of that lahya, which is the parched rain, onto the hand of the bride. Bridegroom's hand is at lower than the bride's hand. Hands together only. अहो भावाला सांगा, नाही तर मामा नाही का त्याला? मामाही चालेल. Now first time you have put it first time, then stop. Now stop it.
ओम अग्निऋषि पवमान पुष्पजन्या पुरोहिता तमीमहे महागयम ओम स्वाहा.
While the sacred fire is witnessing, we promise that we will be like flames in Sahaja Yoga and we shall kindle the flames in others too.
Now put the second one.
ओम अग्नि पवस्व स्वपा अस्मे वर्चासुर्वियम दय दददयीमयीं पोषम ओम स्वाहा.
While the sacred fire is witnessing, we promise that we shall evolve to maturity all that is immature in us.
Oh, तीसरा है number. Now the third one. Third one you put it. Third one. Put your right. You see the boy has to put below the girl's Anjali. Both of them. Now put the third one. बरं आता म्हणा चौथं म्हणा तुम्ही चौथं म्हणा महेश सांग.
ओम त्वमर्यया भवसि यत्किनाम्नां स्वधावं गुह्ययं बिभर्षि अंजतिं मित्रं सुधीतं न गोभीर्यद्रुपतिं समनसा कृष्णोऽसि ओम स्वाहा.
तू म्हण आता.
While the sacred fire is witnessing, we promise that we shall not support or take the side of those people who are not following the Sahaja Dharma. We also promise that we shall pay great regards to all Sahajogis as they would be befitting to saints and sadhus and extend all hospitality to them.
Now put the fourth one.
ओम प्रजापते नत्वदेतान्ययो विश्वा जातानि परिता बभूव यत्कामास्ते जुमस्तन्य अस्तु वयं स्याम पतयोरणीनाम ओम स्वाहा.
The sacred fire is witnessing. We resolve to lead the life with all humility within the maryada, limits of Sahaja Yoga, like the fire which limits itself inside the firewood, because the Kundalini is the cool power of the divine Agni within us.
Now please put the fifth one. After that you have to put the ghee. The boy has to put the ghee 3 times into the fire, and the girl has to touch the hand of the boy with the right hand. Three times.
ओम अग्नये पवमानाय इदं नमः. ओम अग्नये पवमानाय इदं नमः. ओम अग्नये पवमानाय इदं नमः.
This is offered to the sacred fire. It no more belongs to me.
Now you'll find there are 7 months. So now you have to get up from the right side. You make a clockwise pradakshina of the fire, both of you, with the husband before. No, with the wife. I'm sorry, with the wife in front. Please go round the fire. Once you go round, first the boy has to follow the girl. The girl has to go forward from the right side, coming to the left side in a clockwise manner. And now move. No, the other way round you are going. Yes, correct. Correct. Now again sit down. Please be careful about the 7 mounds of rice placed by the side of the sacred fire. See that you re-establish them. आओ, जरा बघा. Please re-establish those 7 mounds. Sit down.
मुलीच्या आई वडिलांनी हवनाच्या तिथे 7 तांदूळाचे ढीग आहेत का ते पाहायचंय आणि नसले तर
आता
ते
भावानी बघा,
तयार करून
कुणी
घ्यायचे.
बघा. ते व्यवस्थित करून घ्या.
The bride's parents, the bride's mother should see that there are 7 mounds of rice intact by the side of the fire. If they are not there, please put them.
सुरुवातीला तुमचं चुकलंय. The bridegroom should lead the bride in the first 4 rounds, followed by a bride leading the bridegroom in the last 3 rounds. No? The other way round. पहिली 4 मुलीनेच करायचे. मग the bridegroom should lead the bride. Now listen please. These 7 rounds, 7 mounts are there, and first the bride has to lead the boy. काही बरोबर आहे? हा? हा, मुलीचंच आहे ते. हा. लाव. चुकलंय ते थोडं. मग नंतर मुलगी चालवते, पहिल्यांदा मुलगा. All right. Now let us do that way. So the bridegroom has to lead the bride first in 4 rounds, and then the bride will lead the bridegroom in the 3 rounds. While we'll say 7 mantras corresponding to 1 chakra beginning from Muladhara recited. The relations should keep sacred fire burning when the brides and bridegrooms walk around the fire. Now, one thing has to be remembered, that when you get up, you have to first of all disturb the first mound with your toe, the big toe. The boy has to disturb the first mound and then walk around first round. All right, now get up please. Again the same way you have to walk. Start it. Start. Slowly break the first mound. First break the first mound and then walk. पढ़ा.
ओम ईश एकपदी भवसा मामनुरता भव पुत्रा विंदान्वहे बहुस्ते संतु दरदष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adishakti, the bridegroom says thus to the bride. I remember Sri Adishakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that you must keep the chastity that would be necessary for good Mooladhara. Our well-being and auspiciousness lies in completely accepting and keeping full respect of innocence and forsaking cunningness.
So, now again, with the second round, the same way the boy has to do. Break with your toe. The second. Now go round.
ओम ऊर्जे द्विपदी भवसा मामनुरता भव पुत्रान् विंदावहै बहुस्ते संतु जरदृष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adishakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that the divine aesthetics of married life should be seen in our daily life. Our home should be aesthetically decorated, like planets and stars that are revolving within the limits of their orbits at specified distances. We should do all our work within and strictly abiding by the Dharma. I shall extend all hospitality to Sir Yogis and fully associate with you in performing the duties towards Dharma. May we both achieve the blessings of enjoying the joy of collectivity.
Now, the third one. Again, the boy has to break it with his right toe, big toe. Now go round, slowly.
ॐ रायस्पोषाय त्रिपदी भवसा मामनोरथा भव पुत्रान्विन्दावहै बहुस्ते सन्तु जरदृष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adi Shakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that I will hand over all the money that I earn to you, fully realizing that it has come to me as the reward of your punya. You should spend that money carefully and only after consulting me. Keeping in mind that all the wealth belongs to God, we should spend our wealth, whatever possible, with the feeling that we are receiving the God's blessings. There should be no hankering for material objects and becoming completely detached. Videhi, we should nurture our Mahalakshmi principle.
Now the fourth one. You break with your right toe. Again go round.
ॐ आयो भव्याय चतुष्पदी भवसा मामनोरथा भव पुत्रान्विन्दावहै बहुस्ते सन्तु दरदृष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adi Shakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that I will never hurt your feelings and shall forget all the mistakes made by both of us in our past lives. My love for you would be limitless and so should be yours. Please do not suppress your feelings and never hesitate to tell me if for some reasons your mind is at anguish or someone troubles you. I shall always stand by you, protect you, and shall never listen to any false complaints against you.
Right. Now the girl has to follow. The girl has to lead and the bridegroom has to follow. So she breaks the fifth bound with her toe. Now go round.
ॐ प्रजाभ्या पञ्चपदी भवसा मामनोरथा भव पुत्रान्विन्दावहै बहुस्ते सन्तु दरदृष्ट्या.
Now the bride tells to the bridegroom, I remember Sri Adi Shakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that I shall bring the divine sweetness in your life. I shall cook delicious food that can be enjoyed by you. We should eat only the food cooked by Sahaja-yogis. Please do not force me to meet or be in the company of those who are not good Sahaja-yogis. We should never use between ourselves abusive or bad language and should never shout at each other. You should quietly listen to me and I shall also quietly listen to you.
All right. Now is the sixth round. The bride has to go and break it.
ॐ ऋतुभ्यः षष्पदी भवसा मामनोरथा भव पुत्रान्विन्दावहै बहुस्ते सन्तु जरदृष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adi Shakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that we both should regularly meditate and teach our children and also our friends how to meditate. Our life should be that of penance, tapasya, but we should not complain or unnecessarily tell others about it and should be happy in all circumstances. Your eyes should be pure and free from lust for women and without greed for anything.
Now the seventh one. You break. The bride has to break the seventh one.
ॐ सखा सप्तपदी भवसा मामनोरथा भव पुत्रान्विन्दावहै बहुस्ते सन्तु जरदृष्ट्या.
I remember Sri Adi Shakti Mataji in my heart and tell you that we should truly understand that Her Holiness Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi has conferred her great blessings on us, and so we should completely surrender and dedicate our hearts to her. This dedication should be through complete integration of body, mind and intellect. We should be aware how tremendous and unprecedented work is the self-realization, and rest everything in our life is unimportant and of no consequence. It is my condition that we should day and night unceasingly enjoy her overflowing grace, devote and dedicate ourselves to her, regularly offer the puja to her photo with all the protocols, and be extremely humble in her presence. Please correct me if you find me failing in these.
बसायचं आता बसा आता बसा मग बसून करा. Now you all of you sit down and remaining ghee should be offered into the fire. हो ना तुम्ही आता 3 times.
ॐ पूर्णमसि
The
पूर्णमे भूया
bridegroom should offer and the bride
सुपूर्णमसि
should touch the hand.
सुपूर्णमे भूया सर्वमसि सर्वमे भूया अक्षितिरसि मां मे श्रेष्ठा.
I shall open the path of moksha. Now brides and bridegrooms say to each other, I shall open the path of moksha, which I have got with the blessings and grace of Her Holiness Sri Mataji, also to others, and shall achieve, in the company of such great and realized persons, the well-being of the whole universe. Om Agnaye Swaha, Om Agnaye Swaha, Om Agnaye Swaha, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Now the bride has to sit to the left side of the bridegroom. That means now she has to follow him. So congratulations, you are all married.
Let us all say the 3 mantras.
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः.
हे सगळं काढायला पाहिजे ना सगळं. इथे जेवतात ना, इथे जेवतात. You have to come one by one to me. One by one couple. इनाम की चीजें लाओ. वाह वाह. May God bless you. You have to look after the whole of South America. All right? Hello, where are the presents? Let them make the line. Behind.
Mr. Karan Khurana, please come to the stage.
They brought it in the car. Harsh, Karan. Harsh. हर्ष आणि करणला बघा किल्ल्यात त्यांच्या डोळ्यात. मोटारीत तर नाही गेले बघा. आता होते ते दोघं.
Arsh and Karan. Harsh.
तबल्याचं वाढ जरा वाढवा म्हणा. तबला just increase the volume.
Harsh and Karan. One by one you take them. बाबा मला सांगा की नवरा नवरीसाठी इथे जेवण आणायचे ताटांमध्ये वाढव. एक एक ताट 82 ताट.
The couples who have taken the blessings from Shri Mataji may now go and sit so that the food could be served to them. The couples who have received the blessings from Shri Mataji should now take their seats so that the food could be served to them. They must sit in the center. They should sit in the center. The other people must move now. They would sit in the center of the pandal. The other people, the relatives, and everybody else will have to move, allowing the couples to sit in the center. The first to receive the blessing from Shri Mataji would be sitting at the last, and in that chronology. Some volunteers to organize this, please. कृपया नवीन लग्न झालेल्या वधूवरांना ज्या ऑर्डर मध्ये त्यांनी श्री माताजीचं ब्लेसिंग घेतलंय त्या ऑर्डर मध्ये मागून बसवायला सुरुवात करा. डॉक्टर सांगवे, शेवटून बसायला सुरुवात करा. डॉक्टर सांगवे, तिकडून शेवटून बसायला सुरुवात करायची. इन अ रो ऑफ 4 or 5 मध्ये बसायचं. हा, इथे जेवण येत आहे त्यांना. जरा इथे जागा करावी प्लीज. वुड यू मेक रूम? वी कुड स्टँड बियॉन्ड द पिलर. May I request those who are photographing, after having photographed, could stand beyond the pillars. We could make room for the newlywed. Dr. Sangwe should see that the couple sit between the two pillars in the center of the pandal. Those who don't have to photograph may kindly make room. The area between the two pillars at the center of the pandal has to be kept for the newlywed. पेंडॉलचा मधला भाग नवीन वधूवरांसाठी आहे. तिथे त्यांना जेवण दिले जाईल. युवा शक्ती ने डॉक्टर सांगव्यांना मदत करावी. प्रतीक, यू गो अँड हेल्प डॉक्टर सांगवे. By making them sit in the center of the pandal, all the couples. Every couple will be served with one plate. You have to eat from that plate, both of you. So the collectivity has started right from the first moment. There will be only one plate per couple, and they have to eat from that plate, both of them. Here comes the girl from Nagpur.
So I congratulate you all for this auspicious time that you all are married. I hope whatever you have promised, you'll keep the promises. And by your marriage, Sahaja Yoga will expand much more faster way and deeper way. I hope you'll bring the depth of your understanding into the working out of Sahaja Yoga, and the whole society of ours will show what Sahaja Yoga can do for the family, children, and to the large society of Sahaja Yoga. May God bless you all.
May I join you in conveying to all of you my own very, very warm felicitations. In my country, India, we have always believed that marriages are planned in heaven, even if they are performed on earth. But the brides and bridegrooms of today, you are far more fortunate. In your case, your marriages have been planned by Adi Shakti herself. performed in heavens in this assembly of angels. If I had lived only to witness this day, I would have regarded my life as totally fulfilled. I am still serving the United Nations system. I retired from one post, but I have another. And therefore today, on behalf of all the governments of the world, nations of the world, peoples of the world, I offer you my very warm felicitations for a long, happy, and prosperous married life in accordance with the principles of Sahaj Yoga and Vishwa Nirmala Dharma. Thank you.